Hey there, hope you're doing well. This short video is on how we can preview PDF and docs file in bubble.io. So let's get started. Okay, so here you can see I have a file uploader and I will upload a file. For now, I will upload a doc file. And after the file is uploaded, I will select it as a document type. And you can see the preview. So it's starting to give me a preview inside my own Bubble app. And the other one is, if I go down, remove the type, select another file, make this a PDF file. So after the file is uploaded, if I select the PDF file type, it opens up the PDF. So this is the PDF right here in front of me. Okay, so how are we going to do that? So for this, we will need some setup in our app. First of all, we will need an HTML element on our page and drag the element onto the page right here and give it as much size as we want. So this is like a full page for now. We can give it any size we want. It will automatically adjust. And after that element is placed on the page, what we are going to do is paste this code inside of it. So this code is specifically for PDF. And also there is another one that is specifically for doc file. So this is the whole version of HTML code for a doc file right here in front of me. And this is because we cannot give it a different file type. So for example, I've uploaded a PDF. I cannot give it doc file. It will not run. It will show something like this, and the same goes for the other file. So if I upload the doc file and select the PDF, it will give me an error as well. So this is why we will need to define its type first, or we will just stick to a PDF only. So here you can see this is a PDF only code, and it will only show PDF when the drop down value is PDF. So I will select the drop down value is PDF as and doc file. So if the drop down as PDF, then it will show the PDF code like this part, and the drop down is DOC, then it will show the doc file. And this is how we will get the preview of the file. And the other thing is we have this file uploader. So what it's going to do is upload the file into the app, or we can dynamically put any file here. So what I put here is dynamically put the file uploader's value. It can be from database, it can be from user, it can be from anywhere. So just give it reference of the file inside this code. And it should be for the PDF part, it should be in the SRC after the embed. And then we can give it the width and the height, whatever we want here. So by default I put it to the 100%. There's no issue with that. And same goes for this doc file. So there is this another SRC inside the SRC. So what it does is it goes online for the support of this, and inside this SRC we will just provide the file's URL, and it automatically starts previewing the file for us. And that's it. Okay, so after this is done, we are good to go. There's nothing else we have to do, and this is it with the whole PDF and doc view in bubble.io. Let's just have a look at it one more time. So I will upload a doc file and select the doc, and after the doc is selected, I am able to preview this file right here in front of me completely. Then I will upload other file and make it PDF, change it to PDF, and it will give me the PDF preview right here. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye, take care.